How do I get myself into these things?
Hey Guido, I just auditioned for a gangster movie in Hollywood. I didn't make it. They said I look too much like a politician. Go figure.
Billy boy, I've decided I'm going to escape. I'm going to take a trip to Japan. That's right. Did you see that? That's how I'm going to do it. Watch me now. Billy boy, do you see that? See that place right there? That's... Did you see that? Nobody even noticed. This is a scarier place than I thought.
Hey Guido, why don't you run for president? What's the big deal? All you gotta do is scream at each other, insult each other. We've been doing that for years. Remember back in the good old days when we used to have those conferences in the woods? We'd insult each other, scream at each other, and then later we killed each other. You know, I really miss those days. Oh, by the way, leave the wives out of it. It's bad for business. Wish I could go back to those days.
We'll be back after station intensification. Okay, the station is intensified. Now back to the program. Billy boy, that's it. I'm out of here. I'm not voting on planet Earth this year. I'm heading straight for the planet Pluto. Do you know that on that planet, you can't even vote till you're 65. You can't even go to war until you're 72. No wonder it's so quiet up there. I could have sworn I knew how to fly this thing. This airplane feels just like politics. Lots of hot air and nowhere to go. That cheesy guy. No wonder nobody knows him. Billy boy, now that I've discovered the magic oval, I'm going to Puerto Rico. Wanna come with me? Okay, Billy boy, here we go. What do you think, huh? This is the land I was born in, Puerto Rico. That's right. Yes. What are you doing here? You're still stalking me? I know you're not Puerto Rican. How do I get myself into these things? I believe that's all, folks.